Well, today we ask a question that no one's been asking. Can you use maple syrup as engine oil in an emergency situation? The answer is don't try this at home and watch the video. See you later.
It's not
Have
quite half
fun.
a litre here.
So here we can see the motor has increased flow by due to the maple syrup stuffing up the piston rings. As a result, there's lots of gas, really hot gas might I add, and maple syrupy crap coming out of the positive crankcase ventilation. I was trying to stop it getting into the actual carburetor because the carburetor swallowed some of that stuff. There's no way it would burn, so it just put the engine, stopped the engine in its tracks. And that's why I was trying to put something over it, but it didn't work, as you can clearly see. And yeah, watch the rest of the video. The engine failed due to camshaft failure because the valve just got stuck up with maple syrup. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, valve's got stuck.
Okay, here we have the inside of the engine. I've just pulled the oil slinger out of it. This is maple syrup that we put through here, and it's just turned the thing to schmoo completely. Here, if I reach deep into the engine, is what's left of it. This has gone to almost like a tar substance, and this here's the camshaft. This is the part that's failed. If you turn the engine, the valves don't move rather. So the camshaft is stripped internally, and that's why it doesn't run.